Good morning, dear children. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and fine. Welcome to social online class. Children, how are you? Are you studying your portions regularly? Are you copying the notes? Are you obeying your parents? I hope you are doing good, right? Okay. Today we are going to complete few of the worksheets. Okay. Till now we have completed all the 5 chapters of Sem 2 book, right? Okay, are you all happy? We have completed our portion, right? In between few worksheets we have left, right? Okay, we have the pending work of that, so we can complete few of them. Okay, children, please cooperate. Okay, please take out your social textbook and your pencil. Okay, children, did you watch the previous videos? Yes, read the book from the beginning, okay, from the first chapter. Yes, and again watch the videos for better understanding. Okay, children? Okay. Now take out your social book and your pencil. Okay. The worksheets, okay, few worksheets we can do today. Okay, children, please listen it carefully and try to mark the answers in your textbook. Okay. Take page number 31. Page number 31. Okay. Worksheet 2. The question number 1, no need. You have to see the pictures and identify it. No need of that. Now question number 2. Okay. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Okay. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. First question. Here I didn't give the option. In your book options are there. Please see to it. Okay. Page number 31. Dash has not hot and humid summers and pleasant winters. Okay. Chennai, Delhi, Kolkata. What is the answer? Kolkata. Dash has hot and humid summers and pleasant winters. Then second one. Dash and the Vidyasagar Setu Bridge across the Hooghly River connect important places in Kolkata. What's the answer? Howrah Bridge. Please tick the option. Okay, no need to write. You can just tick the option. Then C. The Valluvar Kottam was built in honor of the Tamil poet Thiruvalluvar. Okay, the Valluvar Kottam was built in honor of the Tamil poet Thiruvalluvar. The dash was established in the year 1686. Kolkata. Okay, Kolkata was established in the year 1686. Last one. Kolkata had the first underground dash in the country metro. Okay, Kolkata had the first underground metro in the country. Okay, children, let me repeat once again. Please listen. Kolkata has hot and humid summers and pleasant winters. Howrah Bridge and the Vidyasagar Setu Bridge across the Hooghly River connect important places in Kolkata. The Valluvar Kottam was built in honor of the Tamil poet Thiruvalluvar. Kolkata was established in the year 1686. Kolkata had the first underground metro in the country. Have you all marked the answers? Okay. Now, take page number 52. Okay, please take page number 52. That is lesson number 2, I think. Yes. Page number 52. Okay. Worksheet 1. In page 52, the worksheet 1, like the same in the previous one, you have to see the pictures and answer for the first one. Okay. Yes, you do it later. Now, come to question number 2. That is complete the following. Okay. Complete the following. Please mark the answers. Okay. First one. Dash and dash are the most common spoken languages in India. English and Hindi. Okay, in the first blank you have to write English. 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 And in the second blank you have to write Hindi. 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 Okay. E and H in capitals. Okay. Then second one. Punjabis make makki ki roti using dash which helps them stay warm during winters. Wheat. Okay. They use wheat for making rotis. Then Third one, men wear a dash in Kerala. Mundu, M-U-N-D-U. Okay. Fourth one, the traditional dress of women in India is sari, S-A-R-I. Then South Indians love idlis, dosas, vadas and sambar. Okay, let me repeat once again. Please see to it. Complete the following. Dash and dash are the most common spoken languages in India, English and Hindi. Punjabis make makki ki roti using dash, which helps them to stay warm during winters, wheat. Men wear a dash in Kerala, mundu. The traditional dress of women in India is sari. South Indians love idlis, dosas, vadas and sambar. Have you all completed? Yes, if you have any doubt in spellings, please refer your textbook. Okay, I'll send you the PDF shortly. After that, you can correct it. Okay, yes. Now, if you have any doubt, please refer your textbook. Okay, children? Yes. I hope you have completed page 52, right? Okay, now page number 53. That is the worksheet 2, question number 2. Okay, complete the following. Worksheet 2, question number 2, page number 53. Complete the following. Okay, yes. See, the few states are given here. We have to find out the festivals and dances of these states. Okay, first one, the state is Tamil Nadu. The famous festival is Pongal, right? Then dance Bharatanatyam, it is mixed here. Okay, dance Bharatanatyam, it comes under state. Okay, it will come under dance. Now it is displaying as below the state. Okay, please see to it and write carefully. Tamil Nadu festival is Pongal and dance is Bharatanatyam. Okay, then second one, Kerala, the festival Onam and dance Kathakali. Then Punjab festival is Baisakhi and dance is Bhangra. Okay, please write in the boxes. Yes, in near the straight to this Tamil Nadu, below the festival, inside the festival column you have to write Pongal. Then inside the dance column you have to write Bharatanatyam. Same like Kerala, inside the box below the festival you have to write Onam, and then below dance you have to write Kathakali. Then Punjab, in this festival box you have to write Baisakhi. Then dance Bhangra. Okay children, have you all completed? Yes, you must learn this. Okay, complete the following. It may be asked, just fill in the blanks, true or false or whatever. Maybe you must try to answer. Okay, yes, please study all the spellings thoroughly. Okay children. Okay, hope you have completed page 53 also, right? Okay, now take page number 54. Okay, page number 54. Worksheet 3, question number 1. Okay, it is given as write 2 sentences on the following festivals. No need of that. You have to find out what festival is that. It is enough. Okay children, no need to write 2 sentences. Yes, you have to find out the festival. Okay, first one, a festival celebrated by Muslims. You can write Ramzan or Eid al-Fitr or whatever maybe. Okay, you can write Ramzan also, Muharram also. Okay, then a festival celebrated by Sikhs, Guru Purab. Guru Purab. Then a festival celebrated by Hindus in which people burst firecrackers, Diwali. A harvest festival in Kerala, Onam. A day that marks India's freedom, Independence Day. Okay, let me read out once again. A festival celebrated by Muslims, Eid al-Fitr. A festival celebrated by Sikhs, Guru Purab. A festival celebrated by Hindus in which people burst firecrackers, Diwali. A harvest festival in Kerala, Onam. A day that marks India's freedom, Independence Day. Have you all completed? Yes, refer your textbook for the spellings. Okay. Okay children. Yes, have you all marked the answers? I hope you have done, right? Okay. Till now we have completed all the 5 chapters and also few worksheets, right? Then in the next class we will finish the remaining few worksheets. Okay children? Yes. Please cooperate and learn. Okay, learn all the spellings. Whenever you are learning, please learn all the spellings. Okay, from the first chapter, you have to read thoroughly, read line by line, and try to answer the one word questions. Okay, if you are reading the book only, you can able to answer the one words. Okay, children, fill in the blanks can be asked as true or false, or choose the best answer can be asked just fill in the blanks. So you must study all the spellings thoroughly. Okay, yes, will you do? Yes. Okay. Thank you, children. See you in the next class. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Okay. Yes, I will send the answers through PDF. If you have any doubt, you can see to it also. Okay, please watch all the videos again and again if you have time. Okay, yes, thank you, children. See you in the next class. Bye.